My Geeky Life.
Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of My Geeky Life. Today we're going to do another pack opening, Eldritch Moon. Let's have a look what we get. There are a couple of Planeswalkers in this set. There's also Emrakul Promised End. I think that's the highest value card, about $60. Let's have a look what we've got. We've got Spontaneous Mutation, Flash, Enchant creature. Enchanted creature gets -X -0, where X is the number of cards in your graveyard. That's cool. Boom of Emrakul. Really cool artwork. Terrarian, never heard of that. Enters the battlefield tapped. Pay 2, sacrifice Terrarian, add 2 mana in any combination colours to your mana pool. When Terrarian is put into the graveyard, draw a card. That's quite useful. Contingency plan. Look at the top 5 cards of your library, put them back into the graveyard, and the rest. Put any number into your graveyard and the rest back on top of your library in any order. So, pretty handy. Otherworldly Outburst. You can see the weird tendrils coming out of her mouth. Lunarch Mantle. Waxing Moon. Transform up to 1 target werewolf you control. Creatures you control gain trampled in the turn. That's pretty cool. Make Mischief. Deals 1 damage to target creature or player. Put 1/1 Red Devil into play. Token into play. It has, whenever this creature dies, it deals 1 damage to target creature. I think we've had that one before. We've opened that one before. Let me just move this light over here. Desperate Sentry. Graph Rats. This is one of these transform cards. At the beginning of your combat on your turn, if you both own and control Graph Rats and any creature named Midnight Scavengers, exile them and meld them into Chittering Host. So this is one of those double side cards. You can make a massive card out of one. It's a really cool part of this set. I've got one set of those collected. Substantiate. Return target spell or creature to its owner's hand. So first uncommon. Graph Harvest. Zombies you control have menace. Exile a creature card from your graveyard. Put a 2/2 black zombie creature onto. That's pretty good. Long Road Home. Exile target creature. At the beginning of your next end step, return target card to the battlefield under its owner's control with a +1/1 counter on it. Okay, and the rare is Stormkirk Occultist. It's a 2 in a red. It's got trample. When it deals combat damage to a player, exile the top card of your library. Until the end of the turn, you may play that card. Not too strong. And we've got a transform card and a spirit. Okay, that's our Eldritch Moon opening. Let's just go back a little bit. Got this one. That's probably the highlight. This one's pretty good. And the Graph Rats was pretty good. Transform card. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll be back next time with another pack opening. Cheers guys.